Hi, Graham. How you doing, sweetheart? Are you looking at the light? Hi. Ah, what a sweet baby you are. What a sweet little boy. Yeah. You're wearing a big old diaper today. Can I get a smile? Can I give you a kiss? Do you want a passy? No? Okay. You don't have to. I'm glad you're having fun. Bye, sweetie. Okay, alrighty. Here we are. Here, you're fine. You're fine. Oh,